One of the quick and easy methods to set a background for your handmade cards, mixed media projects, or any other artwork is using watercolors. It may seem overwhelming, but with this watercolor video series, I'm going to show you how to create unique and abstract watercolor backgrounds. Hello everyone, this is Ashwati Harikrishnan and welcome to A Thing of Beauty. Today's video features a fun technique called masking. There are many masking products out in the market, but for today, I'm going to use something that you'd probably already have at hand. Washi tapes or painter's tape. I have used washi tapes here. On a piece of 140 pounds watercolor cardstock, stick strips of washi tapes. You may stick these in some kind of patterns like squares, triangle, race or brick layout. I chose a random pattern to be more abstract. Make sure to press down the tape well so that the colors do not seep through. At the same time, the tape should not be pressed too hard because it may rip the paper while removing the tapes and destroy your beautiful project. Now we don't want that. Once satisfied with the masking, start applying watercolor. I am using an inexpensive watercolor set that I bought from a stationery shop. I wanted to have a rainbow gradient, hence started with violet at the top left corner and worked my way all the way down to red at the right bottom corner. To make the colors bold, I use less water and more pigment. If you are going for a light or pale palette, you may water down a bit. Now that I have my watercoloring done, I am going to leave it for a couple of minutes to dry. Once dried, slowly peel off the tapes. Be careful not to rip the paper. Once all the tapes have been carefully removed, you will get a beautiful and unique background. I want to use this pattern for a card. To give it some interest, I stuck a piece of silver ribbon in the lower half portion of the card and secured it with double-sided adhesive. After applying some glue behind, stick the pattern paper onto a plain white note card. To give it a three-dimensional element, I used a chipboard piece with chalk paint on one side. On the other side, I put some more double-sided adhesive and attached few pieces of silver strings. I then attached the central element to the card and added few drops of glitter glue around. Using a silver color paint marker, I added my sentiment on the chipboard. Actually, you can stop right here, but I still felt that the card was missing something and hence I continued to add few more dots using the same paint marker around the chipboard to give it a consistent look. Now this is another card I made using the same technique. But for this one, I felt the background was too bold for the digital stamp. So to tone down a bit, I layered it on top of vellum and I loved how this turned out. Thank you for watching this video and I hope you liked it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of every new upload. So until next time, see ya!